Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna do unboxing and review of Apeman TRAWO 4K action camera. This is A100 real 4K action camera. Box comes with user manual which has complete setup instruction. It comes with durable waterproof case. This camera can take 20 megapixel photo and shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. It has 2-inch IPS retina display. This is the place where you insert the battery. This is the spots for memory card, charging cable and HDMI port. It is very small, you can put it in your pocket easily and carry anywhere. Packaging was beautiful. All necessary accessories and mounts comes with the box. I especially like 2 high capacity battery. It lasts approx 45 to 1 hour, means total almost 2 hours with both batteries. But it depends on video shooting mode. Keep Wi-Fi off and turn on screensaver for longer recordings. It supports up to 128GB microSD card. It doesn't include with the box. SD card buying link in description. I also bought Apeman selfie stick separately, which perfectly compatible with this action camera, so I can take excellent and clear pictures and videos. Battery charging is very easy. It charges battery within 30 to 40 minutes. It has built-in Wi-Fi. Download YouTube Pro app on your smartphone for easy operations. Click on up arrow button and turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect this Apeman Wi-Fi on your phone. You can shoot video and photo from this app. You can also watch and download footage from this app. These are the settings of this camera. You can shoot video in different resolution, for example 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, 720p, etc. You can also choose image size. There are options for time-lapse, loop recording, anti-shake, lens angle, shooting timer, burst, mic, boot recording, exposure, ISO, AWB, scene, rotate, light frequency, language, date, time, stamp, Wi-Fi, screensaver, etc. Format the SD card before you use. Let me take this camera outside and find out how good it is. Electronic stabilization available at 4K, 2K and 1080p mode while shooting. This camera offers easy navigation and clear preview. This is the footage for indoor ice hockey stadium. It has super wide angle that can cover big area, but I changed the settings to my liking. I have shot videos with different ISO, EV and AWB effects. I also tried various shooting modes. This is the footage from the car. It gives hyper 4K and realistic movies. Microphone also works well. Let me show you footage from my bike. I am holding selfie stick on my hand only. You can shoot videos under the water as well, as it is waterproof. This camera can shoot very good quality photos and real 4K videos. It delivers high dynamic videos. This camera is tiny but very powerful. These are the pictures which I took with this camera. Colors and contrasts are spot on. Its price is approx $90, but you can get it in $69 or $79 on Amazon deal. This Apeman action camera is best so far. If you interested, buying link is in description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.